Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. In this video we will show you how to make different crafts using paper. So at first we are using a pink color paper to make a crab. You can see we have made the legs of the crab. Now we will make the body and next we will add the face, and how beautiful it is looking. Now we'll make tissue box with a graphic paper. You can see we have given some folds to it and we have made a box shape. Next we will add all the pieces with it and you can use it as a tissue box. Next we will use a same graphic paper and we'll make a craft with it. You can see we have made a bird. Now next we will add the wings, and this is completed after adding the eyes. Now we'll make a board with it. The same paper we are using, you can use any paper and you can follow the steps to make it. Now we are making the board with the paper and you can see the same board is kept on the table. Yes, we are making the same. We have made the upper part of the board and the board is completed now. We are using a simple paper and we have made the fish. Next we will add the eyes and we have given some folds to give it a shape. You can see how we have done it. Now we are using a blue color paper and we have given some folds and opened it to give it a shape. You can see how we have done it. We will make a square shape out of it. To make it you have to follow the steps and we'll make a square shape. Next we will add some more pieces and we'll make a beautiful basket with it. You can see after opening it and how beautiful it is looking. Now we'll make a Pikachu with a yellow paper. You can see we have made it in the diamond shape. Next we'll fold it from both the sides, and after folding it we'll remove and we'll make the ears, and you can see the cute Pikachu face is ready. Now again we are using a graphic paper to make a heart, a beautiful heart. You can see how we have done it and how we have given different folds to make the heart shape. We have already made the lower part of the heart. Next, after opening it, we'll make the heart and we will add the bow to it. This is ready. Next we'll use a blue color paper to make a different craft. We have folded it from both the sides and we'll fold it from the bottom and upside also to make it. You can see we have done it in a diamond shape. Next we will give some more folds and we'll make a witch nail with it. To make it you have to follow the steps. You can see after pasting it your witch nail is ready to play. Now next we will use a pink paper and we'll make it in the triangular shape. After making it we'll merge it with each other to make a crown of the prince. Next we will add some decoratives to it. We'll make a bow and we'll paste it with the crown. And you can see how beautiful this is looking now. Next we are using a different kind of paper which is graphic. Some fruits are drawn on the paper and we'll fold it to make a beautiful bow. This is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video.